She said that she'd be here at 9 to lock up. Okay. Mhm.
I know somebody came back here and the building was open.
We talked to Steph last Tuesday, and the Tuesday before, no one showed up to unlock the doors, and we were all staying outside to just waiting for Daryl's ride to show up. And we did nothing not last Tuesday, but the Tuesday before.
Yeah, that happened to be a big question because the kickboxing person never showed. He swore he came here and waited for a half an hour while I had 6 kickboxers sitting out there for 20 minutes waiting. So.
Because yeah, we were here from like a little bit before 8 to all the way to like a little after 9, and no one showed.
Yeah, Jay was very upset with that. And that's what the thing is, that we would like emails so I could do a mass email like nobody showed.